Hey mga kawawmat, in this video we will discuss subtraction of polynomials. So in our previous video tutorial, we have discussed about addition of polynomials. So dapat mapanood muna natin yung addition bago tayo magpunta dito. Kasi ang subtraction is bumabalik lang din tayo sa process ng pag-a-add ng polynomials. So, once na na-change mo na yung subtrahend, yung signs ng terms ng subtrahend mo, bumabalik lang din tayo sa process ng pag-a-add. So, dapat alam nyo po muna yung pag-a-add ng polynomials kasi kung alam nyo na yun, madali na lang po ang subtraction. So, our objectives: we will also identify like terms and then we will subtract polynomials by combining like terms. So, by combining like terms, so kailangan bago tayo mag-subtract, dapat alam nyo muna kung ano ba yung mga like terms kasi yun po ang pagsasamahin natin. So, since combining, so from the word combining, so pagsasamahin, 'di ba? So, ibig sabihin, dito yung malalaman, ito yung parang pinaka-clue ninyo na ang subtraction is we're just going back to the process of adding polynomials. Okay? So, bumabalik lang din tayo doon. Bakit siya tinawag na subtraction? Kasi po, we are changing the signs of the terms of your subtrahend. So, yun muna bago ka bumalik sa addition. Okay? So, let's have first the activity. So, ito rin yung activity natin sa addition, no? So, kung napanood nyo yun, alam nyo na to. Okay? So, kapag sinabi nating like terms, dapat pareho sila ng literal coefficient. Ibig sabihin, yung mga variables nila with exponents. So, kung ito po ang like terms natin kasi pareho po silang x, ang literal coefficient. Hindi po variable ha, kasi mamaya isipin nyo, kagaya nito, ay pareho silang may xy. Akala nyo like terms yan. Hindi po. Ang titingnan po natin ay yung literal coefficient. Pag sinabi nating literal coefficient, including, kasama yung mga exponents. So, dapat pareho rin po yung mga exponents. Okay? So, hindi po dahil pareho sila ng variable, like terms na sila. Hindi po. So, for number 2, ang like terms natin dyan is 3x cubed and 7x cubed. Also, si 4x and negative 8x. So, yan po ang mga pareho natin. And then, for number 3, 5x squared and negative 3x squared. So, since pareho silang x squared, so like terms yan. Also, yung negative 6 at yung positive 2. Bakit sila pareho? Kasi pareho silang constant term. Pareho silang walang kasamang variable. Okay? So, sila po ang i-combine natin dyan. And then next, x plus 5x minus 2x. So, itong tatlong to ay like terms din since as you can see, they all have x literal coefficient. Okay? And then ito, since parehong constant, so pwede rin yan i-combine. Okay? And then dito, so as you can see, meron tayong dalawang variable, pero iba-iba po yung placement ng kanyang exponent. So, kagaya nito, we will be looking at the term na similar dito sa negative 9xy cubed, wala po. Okay? So, wala siyang kapareho. While this one, hanap tayo ng x squared y. So, unang tingin, akala nyo pareho. Pero hindi po. Dahil ang exponent nito ay nasa x, ito nasa y. So, hindi sila pareho. So, ang kapareho po nito ni negative 5x squared y ay si 4x squared y. So, itong dalawa, since wala silang kapareho, kapag nag-add tayo or nag-subtract, binibring down lang natin siya. Copy lang. Okay. So, let's have subtraction of polynomials. Okay. How do we subtract polynomials? So, again, bago mo to panoorin, make sure na napanood mo muna yung addition. Okay. So, yun po yung video tutorial bago po ito. Now, so bakit? Kasi in subtracting polynomials by combining like terms, you may use this acronym as your guide. So, dun sa addition, kung napanood nyo yon, makikita nyo na CAC ang ginamit ko doon. So, kung mapapansin nyo, ay pareho lang, CAC din, pero meron lang siningit dito. Meron tayong nakasingit na isang C. So, itong CAC, kapareho ng addition. Meron pong nakasingit na isang C. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, gagawin lang natin itong first step. After nun, bumabalik lang tayo sa process ng addition. Okay? Kung natatandaan nyo dun sa addition natin, ang acronym ay CAC. So, ito rin yun. Okay? So, kapareho lang po. Kaya nga po sabi ko, after mo gawin ito, yung first step, bumabalik lang tayo sa process ng pag-a-add. Ito po siya. Same lang. Okay? So, ano ba tong first step na naiiba? Okay. So, ang una muna natin gagawin is you have to change the sign of the subtrahend. Pag sinabing change the sign of the subtrahend, papalitan mo lahat ng signs ng terms ng subtrahend mo. So, lahat ng terms ng subtrahend, ano ba yung subtrahend? Yung pangalawang given. Okay? Halimbawa, 5 minus 2. 2 is the subtrahend. Okay? 8 minus 7. So, 7 is the subtrahend. Yung pangalawa. Okay? Yung mina-minus. Okay? So, yun po yung subtrahend natin. And then, balik lang tayo sa addition. Yung tatlo, combine like terms, add the numerical coefficient, copy the literal coefficient. So, ang sinasabi po ng subtraction is gawin mo muna tong first step and then proceed ka lang ulit sa addition. Okay? Let's have an example. So, I have here 2x squared minus 3x plus 2 minus 3x squared plus 5x plus 2. So, ang una mong titingnan palagi, kasi yung iba, nag-change ng subtrahend, hindi naman subtraction yung operation. Okay? So, kapag nakita mo dito plus, wala kang kailangan i-change ng subtrahend, kasi addition yun, ibig sabihin. Pag ang nakita mo dito ay subtraction, so let's say subtraction ito, kagaya nito, this is the time na ay, gagawin ko muna to, papalitan ko ang signs nito, ng subtrahend. So, ito po yung subtrahend natin, yung pangalawa. So, anong gagawin natin dito sa una? Copy lang natin. So, bring down. Okay? So, unang gagawin, tignan mo muna, yun ang unang gagawin. Subtraction ba ang operation? Kapag subtraction ang pinapagawa, ibig sabihin, that is the time that you have to change first the signs of all the terms of your subtrahend. Okay? So, ito, copy lang natin. Wala tayong gagawin dun sa una. 2x squared minus 3x plus 2. Ang subtrahend po natin, yun po yung pangalawa. Yun yung sinusubtract. Okay? Yun yung ibabawas. Now, since subtraction siya, so papalitan ko ang signs nito ng subtrahend. So, etong positive, magiging negative. Etong positive, magiging negative. Etong positive, magiging negative. So, ganun lang po ang gagawin kapag subtraction. Palitan mo yung signs ng subtrahend mo. Okay? Now, meron ka na nito. So, ito na siya. Bumabalik lang din tayo sa addition. Paano ba yung addition? Ganun ulit. Combine like terms. Pagsamahin mo yung magkakapareho. Ayan. And then add. Yun na lang ulit. Okay? So, ang pinagkaiba niya lang sa addition is binabago muna natin yung signs ng subtrahend. Kung ito ay addition, wala kang gagalawin dyan. Copy, copy. Bring down mo lang. But since subtraction ng ating operation, papalitan mo muna yan bago ka mag-proceed sa addition. So, ang addition, ito na. Ito nang ginagawa natin. Bumabalik lang din tayo sa addition. Okay? So, let's have this. So, combine mo yung parehong yellow, yung x squared. So, pareho na. Pagtabihin natin. Pagtabihin mo rin si negative 3x at negative 5x or minus 5x. And then, pagtabihin mo si plus 2 minus 2. Okay? So, we will get negative x squared kasi 2 minus 3, that is negative x. Okay? And then, negative 3 minus 5, that is negative 8x. And then, plus 2 minus 2, this is equivalent to 0, so this will be cancelled. So, our final answer is this. Now, again, just like in addition of polynomials, we can also subtract polynomials vertically. Okay? So, copy mo yung first given, yung minuend, 2x squared minus 3x plus 2. So, bago ka maglapag dito, okay, make sure na papalitan mo yung signs ng subtrahend. So, yung positive magiging negative, tapat mo siya doon kung saan yung kapareho niya. And then positive magiging negative then, positive magiging negative. And then proceed to addition. Okay, bumabalik lang din tayo sa addition kasi itong CAC. Okay, so add natin. So we will have 2 minus 3 that is negative x squared, negative 3 minus 5 that is negative 8x, and then this will be cancelled. So as you can see, horizontal man yan o vertically man ang pag-solve mo, pareho lang po ang sagot natin dyan. Okay. So, tatandaan na ang subtraction of polynomials, we're just going back to the process of addition after mong ma-change yung sign ng subtrahend. So, make sure to change the signs of your subtrahend. Okay? Next. I have negative 3x squared minus 10x plus 6 minus 9x squared minus 12x plus 3. So, tingnan muna kung subtraction. After nyan, copy mo yung minuend. Okay? Copy mo yung minuend. Negative 3x squared minus 10x plus 6. Then, since subtraction ito, we have to change first the sign. So, yung positive, magne-negative. Yung negative, magpa-positive. Yung positive, magne-negative. Okay, so pinalitan natin yung signs ng subtrahend natin. Now, proceed to addition. Combine like terms ulit. So, pagsamahin lahat ng pareho, si negative 10x at positive 12x, and then parehong constant. Okay, so combine natin si negative 3x squared minus 9x squared. Combine natin si negative 10x plus 12x. Combine natin yung parehong constant. Okay, so negative 3 minus 9, that is negative 12x squared. Negative 10 plus 12, that is positive 2x. Okay? Tandaan ha na hindi po natin ina-add ang exponent. Copy lang po ito. Pag nag-add po tayo ng polynomials, kinokopya lang po natin yung kanilang literal coefficient. Okay? And then, combine the constants. We have 6 minus 3. This is positive 3. So, therefore, our final answer is negative 12x squared plus 2x plus 3. Now, make sure na ang final answer nyo ay naka-arrange in descending order. So, na-discuss natin yan sa polynomials introduction. Okay? So, make sure na tinuruan ko kayo doon na kung paano i-arrange ang polynomials natin in descending order. So, dapat nagsisimula siya sa highest exponent to the least. Okay? Least degree. Highest degree to least degree. Okay? And then, you can also solve this vertically. So, ganun ulit. Copy mo yung minuend, negative 3x squared minus 10x plus 6. And then, do not forget to change the sign of your subtrahend since this is subtraction. So, magiging negative 9x squared, magiging positive 12x, magiging negative 3. Okay? And then, proceed to addition. Now, so negative 3 minus 9, that is negative 12x squared. Copy lang. And then negative 10 plus 2, this is positive 2. And then copy the literal coefficient. Ma'am, paano po naging negative 12? Paano po naging positive 2? Okay, balikan po natin ang rules ng addition of integers. Okay, balikan po natin ang rules ng subtraction of integers. Nasa first quarter po yon. Okay? And then 6 minus 3, that is positive 3. Kasi hindi natin pwedeng i-discuss pa ulit dito yung rules ng addition and subtraction of integers dahil magtatagal po tayo at hahaba po ang ating video. So kung gusto nyo, panoorin nyo muna ulit yon, nasa first quarter yon, bago tayo magpunta dito. Okay? So, as you can see, we got the same answer, negative 12x squared plus 2x plus 3. Next, I have negative 5x cubed minus 15x plus 2 minus negative 8x squared minus 7x plus 4. Okay? So, first step, okay, tingnan kung subtraction. And then, copy natin si minuend, negative 5x cubed minus 15x plus 2. Wala kang babaguhin dyan. Ang minuend as is. Okay? And then, ang subtrahend mo, papalitan muna natin, magiging positive. Yung negative 7x, magiging positive 7x. Yung positive 4, naging negative 4. Okay, and then proceed to addition, combine like terms. Pagsamahin natin yung mga magkakapareho. And then, ito parehong constant. Now, as you can see, bakit ito wala siyang kapares? Walang problema doon kung wala siyang ka-pair. Okay? So, kung wala siyang ka-pair, ibig sabihin wala kang i-add sa kanila. So, copy mo lang yan. Bring down mo lang. So, make sure na kapag naglalagay tayo ng final answer, hindi porket sila lang ang magkapares, sila ang uunahin mo dito. Hindi porket sila lang ang may ka-pair, sila po ang mauuna. Okay? So, ang gagawin po natin, you have to look at the degree. Okay? Tingnan mo yung degree ng polynomials mo. So, always arrange your polynomial in descending order. So, from the highest degree to the lowest degree. Okay? So, since ito ang pinakamataas, so yan ang dapat nasa unahan. Okay? At wala naman tayong i-add sa kanya dahil wala siyang kasama. Wala siyang like terms. Next. Followed by, ito ay 1 eh. So, meron tayo ditong 2. So, yan dapat ang susunod. Okay? And then ito, pagsasamahin natin si negative 15x at positive 7x. And then pagsasamahin din natin si positive 2 at negative 4. Okay, this is not yet your final answer kasi hindi pa natin to na combine. Okay? So, we will have negative 5x cubed, copy lang, plus 8x squared, negative 15 plus 7, that is negative 8x. And then 2 minus 4, this is negative 2. Okay? Pwede rin po vertical. So, copy natin. Copy mo lang si negative 5x cubed minus 15x plus 2. Wala kang babaguhin dyan ha, kasi minuend. Ang pinapalitan lang natin, subtrahend. At papalitan mo lang ang subtrahend, ang signs ng subtrahend mo kapag subtraction. Kung ito ay addition, wala kang papalitan dyan. Copy lang. Now, as you can see, ang arrangement ko, nung nilapag ko yung minuend ko, nag-iwan ako ng space. Okay? Kasi 3, tapos, mamparasan yung space dito. Kasi kung ilalapag ko to, saan ko siya itatapat? This is 3, this is 1. Okay? So, we need to leave, kailangan mag-iwan ka ng space dito para meron kang tatapatan dito kay squared. Okay? Kasi hindi mo siya pwede itapat dito. Pag yan dinikit mo dyan, hindi mo pwede itapat dyan kasi cube to. Ito ay first degree. Okay? So, pag nilapag mo to, change the sign of the subtrahend, magiging positive 8x squared. Okay? Dito siya. Dito mo siya itatapat. Kahit walang laman to. Okay? And then, si negative 7x magiging positive 7x. Si positive 4 magiging negative 4. And then, proceed to addition. So, since wala siyang katapat, so bring down. Wala rin ito, bring down. So, negative 15 plus 7, this is negative 8x. 2 minus 4, this is negative 2. So, tingnan natin, negative 5x cubed plus 8x squared, pareho siya doon, minus 8x minus 2. Minus 8x minus 2. Okay? So, kahit ano po, it's up to you kung saan ka mas komportable sumagot, kung horizontally or vertically, bahala po kayo. Okay? Basta I'm giving you an options. Okay? Basta make sure na kapag subtraction, i-change po muna natin yung signs ng subtrahend bago tayo mag-proceed sa addition wherein we are combining like terms na. Okay? Let's have the next one. Okay? So, I have here, paano naman kapag ganito? So, ganun din. Okay? Basta ang problema mo lang palagi dyan, kapag subtraction, change the sign of the subtrahend. Okay? So, same step. Tingnan mo kung subtraction muna. Okay? Para alam mo kung anong gagawin. So, 2 times 4, that is 8x. 2 times 6, that is 12. Proceed tayo dito. Now, since subtraction siya, magpapalit tayo lahat. Magiging positive 3x squared, magiging positive 6, magiging positive 2. Okay, napalitan na. We can now combine like terms. So, pareho silang x, pareho silang constant. Okay, so ito walang ka-pair, but since sabi ko nga, lagi natin i-arrange ang ating answer in descending order, so unahin natin to. So, we will have 3x squared. Okay, so 3x squared siya. Ngayon, ano susunod sa kanya? Ito na pong x. So, pagsamahin natin si 8x at 6x, and then yung parehong constant na 12 at 2. So, ang final answer natin will be, since wala tong kasama, 3x squared, bring down lang, and then 8 plus 6, that is 14x, and then 12 plus 2, that is 14. Okay? Next, number 5. So, what if pareho sila meron dito sa labas? So, kapag ganyan meron sa labas, kung napanood nyo nga yung addition, alam nyo na to. Alam nyo na kung paano gawin. Okay? Meron lang tayong isang sinisingit na step yung pag-change ng subtrahend. Okay? So, ganun ulit. Pag meron sa labas, ibig sabihin, kailangan mo munang isolve to. Tapos, isolve mo rin muna ito bago ka mag-add. Okay? So, 4 times negative 2, that is negative 8x squared. And then, 4 times negative 9, that is negative 36x. And then, 4 times 6, that is positive 24. Okay? Ingat po tayo sa sign sa kapag nagmumultiply tayo at magkaiba sila ng sign, negative. Pag kagaya nito, same sign sila, parang positive, positive. Okay? Now, dito naman tayo sa kabila. So, negative 3. Okay, dito, ma'am, i-change pa po ba yung signs ng subtrahend? Okay, kapag meron siya dito, halimbawa, eto, meron siya dito, negative 3 times negative 10, positive 30x squared. Kapag nag-multiply ka dyan, you are actually changing the signs na. Okay? Since ito kasi, kung mapapansin nyo, parang iniisa-isa ko pa, no? Kasi, kailan makita nyo na napapalitan siya. Dahil, actually, this is 1. So, hindi ko naman na sinabi na 1 times negative 3, 1 times negative 6. May 1 yan dyan. Kaya, nagiging ganito. Okay? Para mas madali, palitan mo na lang lahat kapag walang number dito. Kasi 1 naman to eh. Okay? So, kapag ganito na meron, pag nag-multiply ka, wag mo nang isipin na, ay, papalitan pa muna. Gawin ko muna to positive, gawin ko to positive, and then negative. No, hindi na po kailangan. Ang gagawin lang po is, pag nag-multiply ka, automatic yan mag-change. So, negative 3 times negative 10, positive. Ayan no, naging positive siya. Okay? And then, negative 3 times negative 8, that is positive 24x. And then, negative 3, kasi same sign, kaya nag-positive. Negative times negative 3 times positive 5, that is negative 15. So, kapag nag-multiply, look, negative, positive, negative, positive, positive, negative. Nag-change siya ng sign. Okay. So, na-simplify na natin ito. Na-simplify mo na ito. Kailangan kasi mawala mo na yan. We can now combine like terms. So, pagsamahin natin yung parehong x squared, yung parehong x at parehong constant. So, ito yung parehong constant. Hindi ko nalagyan ng square. Okay? So, negative 8 plus 30, that is positive 22x squared. And then, negative 36 plus 24, this is negative 12x. And then, 24 minus 15, this is positive 9. Okay. So, ganito po ang gagawin kapag meron po tayong, anong tawag nito? Number dito sa outside the parenthesis. Okay? I-multiply po natin siya sa lahat. Okay? So, let's proceed to the next example. Okay. So, in this example naman, since may idea na kayo on how to add, paano kapag combination. So, addition and subtraction tayo. Paano pag dalawa? Okay. So, meron ako ditong may subtraction, tapos meron tayong addition. Okay. So, dalawa. May subtraction, may addition. Paano gagawin? So, since meron pa tayong number dito, simplify muna natin ito. Okay. So, magiging 8x and then 12. Okay. So, 8x plus 12 po tayo. Now, subtraction ito. Since subtraction ito, so addition and subtraction tayo ha. Sorry. Okay, so addition and subtraction. So, dalawa. So, since ang operation mo dito ay subtraction, ano munang gagawin kapag subtraction? Mag-change po tayo ng signs ng subtrahend. So, magiging positive 3x squared magiging negative positive 6x, negative 2 magiging positive 2. Okay? So, kapag addition, combination na tayo, addition and subtraction, kung may number dito, simplify mo muna yon. Pag nakita mo nag-subtraction na yung operation dito, then that's the time na kailangan mong i-change mo na ang signs. Now, addition ulit. So, addition, kailangan mo bang i-change to? Hindi po. Bring down mo lang, copy. 2x squared plus 5x minus 4. Wala kang papalitan dyan kasi hindi naman to subtraction. So, ang pinalitan lang natin ito kasi subtraction siya. Okay? Now, combine like terms na tayo. So, pare-parehong x, combine natin. Parehong mga constants, si 12, si 2, si negative 4. At parehong x squared. So, si 3x squared and 2x squared. So, pagsama-samahin natin ngayon, si 3x squared plus 2x squared. Bakit inuna ko to? Kasi sila ang highest degree. 2. Ito ay 1 lang. Okay? So, sila na inuna ko. Always arrange your answers or polynomials in descending order. So, 3x squared plus 2x squared. Ayan, pagsamahin natin. And then, pagsamahin natin lahat ng x. So, 8x, 6x, 5x. And then, lahat ng constant, 12, 2, negative 4. So, we can now add 3 plus 2, that is 5x squared. 8 plus 6, 14, plus 5, 19x. And then 12 plus 2, 14, minus 4, positive 10. So, 14 minus 4, positive 10. Okay? So, our answer is 5x squared plus 19x plus 10. Now, what if you have this? Subtract negative 7x squared minus 5x minus 3 from the sum of 4x squared plus 5 and 6x squared minus 10x plus 3. Now, ang una mong titingnan dito, ano ba dapat yung mauna? Ano ba yung minuend mo? Ano ba yung subtrahend? So, yung minuend, yun yung nasa unahan. Yung subtrahend, yun yung nasa pangalawa. Okay, so which one is your minuend and your subtrahend? So, subtrahend, yun yung nasa pangalawa. So, paano mo malalaman alin ba yung minuend, yung nasa unahan? So, ang hahanapin mo, o pwede, hindi naman ito ang laging ginagamit, pero kung makbasa mo o makita mo yung word na from, ibig sabihin, yan ang palatandaan na ito po ay nasa unahan. So, ilalagay natin siya sa unahan. So, yung from, yan po ang palatandaan. The sum of. So, i-add daw natin yung 4x squared plus 5 at 6x squared minus 10x plus 3. So, naka-enclose siya, no? Ibig sabihin, isang group yan. Kailangan i-add mo muna yan. Okay. So, therefore, since subtract ang operation natin, minus yan. Ano ima-minus? Yung negative 7x squared minus 5x minus 3. Okay? So, paano mo malalaman ang minuend at subtrahend? Kung saan may from, yun po ang nasa unahan. So, since ang sabi dito, i-add mo daw muna. Kunin mo muna yung sum. Kaya naka-enclose to. So, kunin muna natin yung sum nito. Okay? So, remove natin siya sa parenthesis. 4x squared plus 5, 6x squared minus 10x plus 3. Okay? So, solve muna natin to. Kasi kung ano yung sum niya, ibabawas natin ito dun sa sum. So, we need to solve this first. So, combine natin yung pareho. Ayan, parehong constant at parehong x squared. So, we will get 4 plus 6, that is 10x squared. And then, isunod muna natin to, si minus 10x, kasi descending order dapat. Okay, and then 5 plus 3, that is 8. Okay, nakuha na natin yung sum. Okay? So, isa-subtract na natin ngayon si negative 7x squared minus 5x minus 3. Now, since subtraction ito, anong gagawin? Magpapalit tayo ng signs ng subtrahend. So, magiging yung negative 7x squared magiging positive 7x squared. Yung negative 5x magiging positive 5x. At yung negative 3 magiging positive 3. Okay. So, now, combine like terms. So, ganun ha. Kapag tingnan mo yung word na from, so yun po ang minuend, yun yung nasa unahan. And then ito, subtraction. So since pinapakuha yung sum muna, isolve mo muna siya. Okay, bago mo isubtract ito. And then make sure, since subtraction siya, make sure na mabago mo yung mga signs ng subtrahend. Okay? So we can now combine like terms. Pareho ito. Pareho siya. Parehong constant. So we have 10x squared plus 7x squared. Pagsamahin sila. Pagsamahin ito, yung dalawang blue. Pagsamahin yung dalawang yellow since pareho silang constant. And then solve. 10 plus 7, 17x squared. Negative 10 plus 5, negative 5x. And 8 plus 3, that is 11. Okay. So, this will be our final answer. 17x squared minus 5x plus 11. Now, what if the question is, subtract the sum of 4x squared plus 5 and 6x squared minus 10x plus 3 from negative 7x squared minus 5x minus 3. So, baliktad. Kung mapapansin nyo, baliktad, no? Subtract the sum. Inuna to. Subtract the sum of 4x squared plus 5 and 6x squared minus 10x plus 3 from, eto naman yung nandito. Okay. So, since nandito yung word na from, ibig sabihin, ito yung minuend mo. Ito yung nasa unahan. So, yan ang ilalagay mo sa unahan ngayon. Okay? Siya ngayon ang minuend. Okay, now, anong isusubtract natin? Subtract yung sum nung 4x squared plus 5 at ito. Okay, so after mo, so ulitin ko ha, since nandito yung from, ito ngayon ang nasa unahan, siya ang minuend. And then, isusubtract natin itong sum nitong dalawa. So, kailangan kunin mo muna yung sum nila. Parang ito, kunin mo muna yung sum. Pag nakuha mo yung sum nila, ano nga yung sum nito? Dito sinolve natin yon. 10x squared minus 10x plus 8. Subtraction ito, papalitan mo muna ng sign. Magiging negative 10 plus 10 minus 8. Kasi siya yung subtrahend ngayon eh. So, magpapalit ka ng sign pag nakuha mo yung sum. Kung ito yung sum, papalitan mo lahat yan ng signs. Okay? So, ganito po siya. Kung sakaling baliktad. Okay? Kaya ang pinakita ko, same question eh. So, magbabago tayo ng answer dyan. Okay? Hindi po pareho ang sagot. So, pinapakita ko lang kung ano yung dapat nyong minuend at subtrahend pag binigyan kayo ng ganitong klaseng problem. Okay? Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo for more video tutorials. This is your guide in learning your math lessons, your Wow Math channel.